Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another Vada's Venture. Today we're working on my lawnmower again. The last time I mowed, lawnmower actually threw out. I need a new one. This is the deck engaging belt, the one that goes from the engine to the deck to start spinning the blades, and then the blades have their own belt, and then there's of course the drive belt. Since this one did this while I was mowing, no warning except for the weird vibrations, I'm just gonna go ahead and replace them. And then it's been cutting weird. I have tried sharpening these blades before, but they're just so old and pitted, it doesn't hold that shape, that edge. So I'm just gonna end up going ahead and buying a new set of those. But to get the rest of the belts off, I think what I'm going to do is take the entire deck off so I can just pull everything out, and then when I get to the drive belt, I don't have the deck to worry about. I can crawl under there if I need to. We're going to get started. I'm going to get this out and we'll see where we get to. Alright, so I got it out. I'm glad I am replacing all three of them, because that's a lot of cracks. So I don't know how much of this you are going to be able to see. I'm not real sure how to take this belt off, but it looks like it needs to be replaced as well. It's not as bad, but while I'm at it, you know. The brake. I just released the parking brake. That's why the daggone thing rolls to a stop. Look at the slack in that. Is that seriously? What? Made that part easy. Alright, now I have to get it off of this drive. My dumb self though went and put a battery box in the way. I gotta tell y'all something funny. I called a local lawnmower shop this morning just to be like, hey, this is what I'm doing. What do you recommend? Oh, you're gonna have to lift the lawnmower. I don't know about you, but this ain't off the ground. Alright everybody, so that's going to wrap up part one because I had to go get
the parts that I just took off the lawnmower. I just made a good spot to cut it. So we took the belts off, and next time we are going to reinstall the belts and change the plates. So I hope you'll join us next time. I hope you'll enjoy the video. Y'all have a blessed day.